What's the meaning of caddie? Caddie. Caddie.
Caddie. Caddie. Caddie refers to a person who assists a golfer during a round of golf by carrying their clubs, providing advice, and performing other tasks. The caddie's responsibilities vary depending on the golfer's preferences and the course being played, but they generally involve helping the golfer select the right club, reading the greens, and providing moral support. A skilled caddie can make a big difference in a golfer's performance, as they can offer insights and strategies that the golfer may not have considered on their own. Overall, a caddie is a valuable member of a golfer's team and can greatly enhance their chances of success on the course.